Welcome to Farm Animals! Animals are herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. This is a sheep. They eat grass and they are herbivore. Is a cow. This is a donkey and she is a herbivore. She eats grass. We have two ostrich, right? We have two. We have one and two. We have one rabbit. The spelling of one is O N E. Here you go. Here you go. I'll give you some. Here. Here for you. Eat. Eat na. Eat na. The Tagalog of rabbit is conejo. This is pet animals and farm animals. The sound of R is R. The spelling of rabbit is R-A-B-B-I-T and I'll write it. R A B B I T. R A B B I T. A nursery where animals get food. Fresh egg from the chicken, and this one is the fresh egg from the duck. I'm a human and I am an herbivore. I eat plants and meat. And this is a fresh eggs from the farm. See? It is fresh eggs from the farm, right? I rather get these. This is the farm where the animals live. And this is their habitat. There's a lot of animals like duck, chicken, cow, and a dove, right? Ostrich, dove, donkey, and a rabbit. Mahalin at alagaan natin sila.